Hi, this is Marvin from HGS Strength and Conditioning. Sometimes I realize when I'm coaching that a few of my clients, especially the newer ones, have a few problems when loading their deadlift. Maybe they are too familiar with just one tool and the tool is being used by the other lifter, and then they need to wait, and in this case that causes delay when they are training. So I spent my Sunday afternoon yesterday for 2 hours just loading and unloading plates on a deadlift, so I can show you numbers of ways that you can actually load your deadlift. Please enjoy. The absolute easiest way to load a barbell is to have this kind of deadlift jack. What you need to do next is to put on the bar to the deadlift jack and load the plates. Despite this being the easiest way to load and unload the deadlift, there are still some problems that people could face. Number one is that they do not know where to position their body when loading and unloading the plates. I do see people trying to slide the bar from the side. Quite difficult. Instead, what you should do is to stand over the barbell, hold the plates, and try to glide it inwards or out. The second thing that they normally encounter is that sliding the plates in or out are difficult. This is because they try to push only on one side of the plates, and in this case the plate will actually rotate within the barbell itself. Let me give you an example.
One hour later.
Instead, what you should do is to try to glide the plates out of the barbell. Imagine that the plate shouldn't touch any part of the barbell. And then in this case, you can slide it out easily or slide it easily. Next, the second level of difficulty is using this mini deadlift jack, or people call it the deadlift guitar. Using this device can be really tricky because sometimes it's unstable. Firstly, the mini deadlift jack is supposed to be placed right at the edge of the bar near to the collar. If this is placed closer to the center, the system will be more unstable. The other problem that people normally encounter is that when they insert the plates into the bar, the whole thing collapses. Since the deadlift jack and the bar tends to fall this way, what we need to do is to support this deadlift jack with our leg and slide it inwards. On the way out, if I'm pulling the bar, the system will tend to slide this way. So the bar and the deadlift jack can fall as well. So what you want to do is to stand in front of the deadlift jack and slide it. Now, what if you do not have any deadlift jack? This is the way to do it. Firstly, the noisiest way. Of course, not every gym will be happy if you are slamming the bar to their platform, but you will get the idea. By adjusting the pin lower, you can control the bar quietly. Next one, if you already have your bar on the floor and the plates that you're going to load, sometimes it's hard to elevate the bar and to try to push the plates into the barbell. Sometimes the plates are heavier than the barbell. So what you can do is, instead of pushing the plates in, you want to push the barbell into the plate. So let the plate stand like this, grab the barbell, get it close to the center of the plate, and then push. And the last trick, this is something that is not very commonly seen, is to keep the bumper flat on the floor. Put the bar vertically, tilt it, and press the bar in. Once you have loaded one plate, if you need to add more, you can use a small plate, put it here, use it as a wedge, and load your next plate. Lock it again. Or you can even use your belt. Also as a wedge. So those are some of the ways that I know to load and unload the bar for your deadlift. Please let me know if I miss anything. Please let me know if you have a very good tip or trick that I haven't mentioned in the video. So I hope this video has been useful, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.